My name is Prophet Israel Nicodemus, and this is my beautiful wife, Prophetess Elizabeth Zelda. We are all the way from Namibia, and on this beautiful day, we want to use this opportunity to thank God for our hero, our father, our mentor, the prophet of our time, Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa. Today is not just a special day in the world because we celebrate Christmas Day, but we are sitting here together to also celebrate on this special day, the born day of our father, Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa. Papa, you have transformed our lives, and you have transformed our ministries. You have even transformed our marriage, and our church. Your grandchildren love you so much, and we trust that God will keep you many more years. So from our side in Namibia, from New Covenant Grace Tabernacle International, we just want to say
Happy birthday, Papa. We love you. May God bless you.